How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we keep working on the 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this one is something special because I just received today in the mail my speed wipe. This is a high gloss deep wet, so this one is gonna make the paint pop. It's gonna be really shiny after we finish with this one. But before we do that one, we wanna use our Chemical Guys Battle Wet Wax, and we wanna wax the whole truck by hand. You don't need a machine for this one, and this is one of the best ones. And this is really good because you're gonna give it a really good coat of wax without a machine. So this episode is not sponsored, guys. You guys already know. In this case, we have our Battle Wet Wax and we have our speed wipe. Another thing that we have is our premium applicator pad. We want to use this one to put the whole wax through the whole car. We want to use that one. Few microfiber towels. I have new ones here and there. Okay, guys, so here on the RAV4, paint is really amazing right now. I treated, because it's been raining so much, I treated with my waterless car wash yesterday, and I give it one more today just to make sure that everything is clean before you apply your wax. So after I did a clay bar and I've been using all these products, paint never been better. Paint is really good right now. I've been taking care of this, and this is good because at the end, if you try to sell your car, value is not gonna go down too much if you take care of the paint. Okay, guys, so to apply the bottle wet wax, we're just gonna shake it up first. We'll put in our applicator some of the product. I'm gonna show you in this part, then I'm gonna go through the whole hood. And the essence is banana, so it smells really good. Good thing about applying this coat of wax, you're gonna protect the car against the UV rays. Paint is gonna be protected, and also it's gonna be shiny. The shine is gonna pop. You don't require a machine, and the good thing about this is that you can apply this in no time. I would say 20 minutes, but if you take your time and you let it dry, probably you're gonna take like couple hours to do it, which is not a big deal because applying this is super easy. Like I said before, you don't need a machine. Okay, so half of the hood is already applied. Super easy. It take no time to do, but in the meantime, you can let it dry in the paint and then buff it up. And after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it sit just for a little bit. Use After that, I'm gonna wipe it off, and if I got some extra, I'm gonna use my speed wipe just to clean everything and make sure the paint is protected and the paint really shine. So that's how easy it is. You can apply this on glass, you can apply this on your headlights, you can apply this everywhere. So let me make sure that my headlight is clean, and we're gonna give it some protection with the wax too. It's all about protections against the UV rays, guys, nowadays. So applicator pad, microfiber towels, bottle wet wax, and a speed wipe, they're gonna be all in the descriptions, so you can go on the links, get your own products, and support the channel. Okay, guys, so we let the wax sit for a few minutes. Now we can buff it off, and we have another one, another new clean microfiber towel, and you just do it in one direction. You know that this is the best way to protect the paint. Don't do circles because you might scratch the paint. Headlight 2. I love my pen. I've been protecting these things so much. Okay, so everything's wiped off now. And what we're gonna do next is grab our speed shine. And there is one thing that I love about uh, Amazon Prime. I ordered these two products yesterday, and today is Sunday, so this episode is gonna be live tonight. So it's Sunday, and I received my products today. So like I said, link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get your products, and if you have Prime, amazing, because you can get them the same day. This one has only on and off speed wide. I love this product. I'm gonna grab another microfiber towel. You don't have to spray a lot. Same thing, shake it off. Spray some on the paint. Wipe it off. Headlight as well. Flip your microfiber towel just to remove some excess. Wow, the paint feels really smooth. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that shine from right there where you guys are. But, whew, amazing. I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know if you can see it. This paint is already waxed, protected. It's been coated so many times. I'm really happy with the result now, how it looks. Okay guys, so I hope you like this episode. Bottle wet wax, speed wipe, you can find them on the description. Now I don't need to show you everything else. I'm gonna do the other side for my Spanish channel, and when I finish the other episode I'm just gonna focus on finishing the whole truck without recording. Obviously this is just a little, I just show you this part, and pretty much it's the same throughout the whole truck. So next time you see it, truck is gonna be super shiny and protected. I hope you like this episode guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. And my assistant approved this message.